Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the door precisely. Note height and width and subtract about 1/8 inch for clearance so the wallpaper won't bind. Once measured, remove the knob or protect hardware with tape. Clean the surface with a degreaser so paste adheres. Now cut your wallpaper to the panel shapes, leaving roughly 2 inches of extra paper at top and bottom. This gives you room for alignment and trimming later. Make sure to align any pattern repeat now so you won't have mismatches. You apply paste per manufacturer instructions and spread it evenly with a roller. Aim for about 1/2 to 1 millimeter coverage so the paper won't bubble or soak excessively. Once done, lift and position the top edge of the wallpaper against the door, holding tension and lining patterns up. Smooth from the center outward with a squeegee to push out air. As you go, match repeats carefully and trim overlaps with a sharp blade along a metal ruler to keep clean, straight edges. You finish by trimming excess paper at the top and bottom with a sharp knife and straight edge, then tuck edges into jambs with a folding knife and a small roller for a flush look. Once all strips are applied, run a seam roller over joins and wipe away paste residue promptly with a damp cloth so it doesn't stain. If small bubbles appear, pierce with a fine pin and smooth. If a large area lifts, carefully peel that strip and reposition or replace it to avoid a visible defect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.